Alright, we've got a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. This has got the flex fuel engine in it with the cast iron motor block. All the SUVs had an iron motor block. And I mean, this thing is clean. It comes from a good climate somewhere. The engine's not all corroded up, and this is a pretty nice unit underneath. This is the kind we like to tear apart. It really is. You know, it's an LTZ. It has the movie player works, the backup camera, all that. Got 115,000 miles on it. I mean, a clean unit, you know. I got 3 nice Michelin tires with 10/32 tread on them, and I'm famous for those sets of 3 when it comes to tires. We done pulled the 3rd rows out of it and got them in the building. Okay, and we're going to get her apart and have some good parts here.